Solve this hard SAT problem. In the xy plane, a parabola has a vertex at 9, -14, and intersects the x-axis at 2 points. If the equation of the parabola is written in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants, which of the following would be a plus b plus c? Well, first let's remember our vertex formula. Our vertex formula is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Our h corresponds to our x vertex value, while our k represents the y vertex value. So let's plug in these values. Now we have the 9 and the -14 in, we can distribute it. And with this, we can now group our terms. We can group our a's, our b's, and our c's. Our a is going to equal a, our b is going to equal -18a, and our c is going to equal 81a minus 14. So now let's graph this. When we graph this, we can put a point where our vertex is at 9, -14, and we can see our parabola is going to look something like this. This is important because it tells us that our a value is going to be positive. Now we're going to move on to plug and chug once we simplify our a plus b plus c in terms of a, which is going to be 64a minus 14. Now we can do plug and chug. When we choose our answer is a, and we put -23, we're going to see our a value is actually going to be negative. When you do -23 equals 64a minus 14. When you plug in b, where the answer is -19, when we solve for a in the equation -19 equals 64a minus 14, we're going to see our answer for a is negative, which is again incorrect. When we plug in c and we put -14, we see the equation is -14 equals 64a minus 14. You'll see our answer is just going to be a is equal to 0, which isn't correct. Then our d, when we plug in -12 and we solve for a, it's going to be -12 equals 64a minus 14. And we're actually going to see that our a value is positive, meaning our answer is going to be d.